Hi, now we're going to do the sound of I like igloo, all right? So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to tap it, and they're going to go I. Start out with the sound you're doing. Now I'm going to incorporate one other sound. And they're going to go I, ah. And then I. I until they have the I, right? Then you're going to hand the pointer over to your child or student, and then you're going to say them and they are going to point. Like if I go I, they're going to go I. If I go I, they're going to go I. So I think that's self-explanatory, and my assistant is resting right now. So next we're going to do another sound, okay?